Hi, this video looks at using the arpeggiator on the Behringer CZ-1. We'll set our sync to internal, we'll press function, key 2 for sync, sync source, and we'll select internal from the list, internal. While we're on function, we'll go to system, mode set, and we'll select Arp. When you press the key, the synth plays normally, and press and play triggers the Arp. We can change the tempo. We can change the scale, press function, key 3, scale, currently on 16s, so we have 8th note, 16s, 30 seconds with triplets. So here's an 8th note. And here is 30 seconds. We can change the direction, press function, Arp. We have up, down, and down. So here's up and down. Here's down. We can change our swing, function, swing. We have a value of 50. That's the lowest value. It goes up to 75. Sounds like this. And if we need a metronome, we go function, metronome, and on. And off, metronome off. There you have it, the CZ-1 Arp. Thanks for watching.